In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI in Shopify. To get started, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Once the page loads, look for the option to start or create an account. Shopify may show slightly different wording depending on your location or the current version of the website, but the goal is to begin the sign-up process and create a new Shopify account. As you move through the account creation screen, enter the required information for your store setup. Make sure you use your own details, and avoid sharing anything sensitive on screen if you are recording or presenting this process. Take your time here because this account will be the place where you manage your store, customize your website, and access the AI tools that help you build faster. After your account is created, Shopify will guide you through an initial onboarding process. This usually includes a few setup preferences about your business, your selling experience, what type of products you plan to sell, and how you want to use Shopify. These questions help Shopify understand the kind of store you are building, so it can personalize your dashboard and recommend the right tools. Go through these onboarding preferences carefully, but do not worry about making everything perfect right away. The purpose of this stage is simply to help Shopify prepare your store admin dashboard. You can usually update many store settings later, so focus on choosing the options that best match your current plan. Once you complete the onboarding questions, Shopify will take you into your store admin dashboard. Now that you are inside the admin area, you should see your store homepage or main dashboard. This is where you manage the main parts of your Shopify store, including your theme, products, orders, settings, and store setup tasks. For this tutorial, the area we are looking for is the AI Store Builder section. On the admin homepage, look for the section labeled AI Store Builder. It may appear as a card, a setup prompt, or a featured option depending on the layout of your dashboard. This tool is designed to help generate a store design based on a written description of your brand. Instead of starting from a blank theme, you can give Shopify a clear idea of the style you want, and the AI will use that information to suggest personalized theme options. Once you find the AI Store Builder section, click into it and look for the prompt box. This is where you will describe your brand. The more specific and clear your description is, the better the results are likely to be. You can describe your store style, your products, your target audience, and your preferred colors. For example, you might enter a prompt like, a minimalist, modern store for eco-friendly athletic apparel with a clean green and white color palette. This type of prompt tells the AI what kind of products the store sells, what visual style you prefer, and what colors should guide the design. You do not need to write a long paragraph, but giving a focused description will help Shopify create options that feel more aligned with your brand. After you enter your brand prompt, click Generate. Shopify will begin creating personalized theme options based on the description you provided. Give it a moment to process. When the results appear, review the different theme layouts that are shown on screen. Look at the overall design, the colors, the spacing, and the way the homepage is structured. Choose the layout that best fits the brand you are trying to build. Once you have selected the option you like, click Apply. This will apply the AI-generated theme layout to your Shopify store, giving you a strong starting point for your online shop. From here, you can continue customizing your store later, but the main AI setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know.